here at the OSU Teaching Greenhouse today to show you something really exciting. Joining me is Tim Hooper, Senior Agriculturist. And Tim, what are we going to look at today?
We're going to look at the agave americana, and it was planted in the year 2000 as a class project, and we just noticed recently that it is going to try to flower.
And when you planted it, how big was it?
It was in a 5-gallon container, approximately about 2 feet across.
Okay, so it's done quite well in the warm climate here in the greenhouse.
It has. The temperature here never gets below 55 degrees.
Okay.
And so it has ideal conditions.
All right, so now it's like about 8 feet tall, and how big is that flower going to get?
That flower can get up to 30 feet tall.
Okay, so when do you think it will get that height?
I'm going to estimate probably July to August.
So it'll take a few months to get that?
Yes, it will.
And does it spend a lot of energy into making that flower?
It will. From now on, all the energy goes into the flower.
Okay. What happens after it flowers?
Well, our problem right now is it's going to go through the roof.
Okay.
So probably what will happen is we will take off a panel and go ahead and let it flower through the roof.
Okay. And then does it continue to produce more flowers?
No, after it flowers, the mother will die. And what we have at the base here are called pups.
Okay.
And the pups will now take over as the mother did.
Okay, so you've got plenty of pups here that will continue to grow, and we might have more flowers in another 15 or so years. We'll
see. Maybe you will, I won't.
Okay, but another name for this plant is called the century plant. So it doesn't really take 100 years. That's kind of a myth,
it's
right?
a myth. Anywhere from 10 to 30 years is what they say it flowers. And what it flowers, we don't know why it flowers.
Okay, all right. And you've got a leaf here. And so this leaf is about 62 inches. I mean, you can see it's almost my same height here. So, and these are deathly sharp. You don't want to touch these or anything, or with gloves. You want to be very careful. So, Tim, we have a couple other agaves over here. Are those going to get to be this size?
No, this is an entirely different species. This one is native to Oklahoma, and it will basically stay miniature like that.
Okay. So there's different types of agaves. Right. So just because you have one doesn't mean it's going to be 30 feet tall.
The flower may be similar to this one, but it will not be nearly as large.
Okay, great, Tim. Thank you for sharing this American agave with us.
You're welcome, Casey.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.